Today I'm going to show you how to get Bitcoins online for free. You can't expect to get a lot of Bitcoins from these sites, but you will get some. I've used it. The Bitcoins do show up in your account, usually either at the end of the week or daily, depending on which site you use. And actually, if you use the the BitVisitor, where you get coins for visiting websites, that comes in like within the hour. So they're pretty quick, but you just can't expect to make a lot of money doing this. But it's a good way to get started, have a few coins in your account to kind of try it out. The first one is my favorite one for doing this. It's BitVisitor, where you basically just get some coins for visiting websites, and it's very simple to do. I'll paste this link down in the description box. You just have to go to this website that I have listed, that'll have copied into the description box, and then all you have to do is stay on the website that they give you for 5 minutes. So I'll put in my Bitcoin address. That's what this is. You'll need a Bitcoin address. You just set up some sort of Bitcoin wallet. I'll have a video on how to set up a wallet pretty soon, but at this point you should have an address already. So this is the Bitcoin address I have, and that's the one where you're going to receive your Bitcoins, and then you just paste it into here and then submit. And then you can see that I would get 8 micro Bitcoins for visiting this site for 5 minutes. So then you just type in this key, the capture code here, so WCAFLU, and then you just hit visit. And then what you just have to do is stay on this page for 5 minutes. You don't even have to be looking at it. You can shrink it. Doesn't matter. The timer will still go down up here, but you'll only get paid if you hit the next button that appears here after 5 minutes. So you can't just exit off after 5 minutes. You actually have to hit next. And then within an hour, you'll get some coins in your account. Another good one is this one you can do daily. You just put in your receiving code daily, and they'll send you Bitcoins. Basically, I think how it works out for them is that they just get money from you visiting their site and seeing their ads, and then they just redistribute some of that money to you as Bitcoins. As you can see, I've already put my address today. That's why normally it'll just have a box here that you paste it into, and you say get free Bitcoins, and then you'll have this page, and they'll send you Bitcoins at the end of the week. Another really good one, probably my favorite, is CoinReaper, which will go through many different Bitcoin sites so that you can kind of quickly just go through without having to spend a lot of time. And all you have to do here for CoinReaper is you go through all of these different websites that give out free Bitcoins. They're the same as this NetLookup one where you put it every day. Actually, that's even one of the ones that's included in here. You just have to put in your Bitcoin address, and these ones here you can only put in your link once a day. The CoinReaper bonus, the Bunny Run, NetLookup, daily Bitcoins you can actually put in once an hour, and that'll build up a small amount, and then they'll pay out. BitCrate, there's barely ever any there, so you can usually just skip over that one. Coinad, Bitcoiner, and CoinTicket are all once per day, and then Bitcoins for me you can do once per hour as well. So then you just paste in your number here, and then say reap BTC, and then it'll just bring you to the next site that it's now time to put your code in for, and then you just paste it in here. You fill out the capture code, and then after you wait the amount of time, then you just hit send. I think I've already put in my thing for this hour, but it'll just tell you that you need to wait another 5 minutes or something if you've done it within the last hour. My internet's just being a little slow here. Normally it just pops up instantly. I might not have filled this out all the way. No, it looks like I did. Normally that works instantly. I'm not sure why it's not working right now, but and then after you fill out one, then you just hit next site, and it will bring you to the next site that has your time limit's expired on. And this is the other one that's once per hour. So you can just put in your code there and hit next. Fill in the CAPTCHA code. Submit it. And then and then it has your address, and this one, I'm not sure how often they send you coins, but it should say somewhere in there when they actually do. And then you hit next, and CoinRipple will show you, see, these ones I put in 6 hours ago, so I can do them again in 18 more hours, and then these ones are once per hour, so once these ones are up, you can just hit next site, and it'll take you to this one, and then it'll take you to this one, so that one's really handy. But like I said, you won't get a lot of Bitcoins for doing this, but it's enough to get you started. And see, it hasn't been 5 minutes, but when that finishes up, then you can just hit next there, and then it'll actually give you another site to go through. Eventually it'll run out for that day, but then the next day there will be more sites you can go to. This here is an affiliate link from NetLookup. If you use that your first time going to NetLookup, then it'll give me a percentage of coins too if you use it. So if you want to help me out, then use that one. This BitVisitor link is also my affiliate link for BitVisitor. So if you use my link, then they help me out for helping bring more traffic to them. So if you want to help me out, then the first time you visit, use this link and then use the same code after that on that same site. But obviously you don't have to use my code if you don't want to. And I'll post all this in the description, and it's that easy. And all of this stuff is safe. I've used it. I've never got any viruses, any real spam or anything, so you're good to go on that account.